So before I can keep going on the miter station, because I'm putting the miter station over there in that corner, I just got, let's do the tools. Let's do the new tools. Stay tuned. I've been telling y'all stay tuned and stuff. Like, I don't just edit to the very next scene and it's like, bloop, something's in your hand. Or like, bloop. I should do some Magic Genie stuff. How does it go? Boop, boop, boop. Pop, 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 pop. The edits, though. The edits. That's all I'm trying to show. That's all I'm trying to show.
God bless these hands when you made me. God bless these hands. Bless Carpenter. God bless these hands when you made me.
What's up, guys? Alex here from the Blessed Carpenter. So it's week 9 of progress, and this is what we've gotten for our tools this week. This week I picked up this DeWalt heavy-duty laminate trimmer. It's a fixed base router. I haven't even opened this guy yet. Check out what I got this for. So I've been looking at routers all week, different routers, doing all kinds of research on what to do with them, how to use them, the difference between a plunge router and a fixed base router, and the different things you can do with them. And I had to have both of them. So I've been looking for them online, and on Marketplace in my area, for $60 or $70, you're getting a pretty beat up one. Now I got these for, I got this for 25 bucks. Shot my shot. It's pretty much brand new. Man, it's super clean. This guy is so cool. He threw in the actual wrench that I needed for it. Very clean shape. This is the base that goes with it. Oh wow, the base has never been opened. Man, I'd be getting so blessed and lucky. Still got the instructions in it. So I'm going to use this for the outside pieces of whenever I'm doing trim. For the outsides, just to hook it up real nice. It's really powerful. DeWalt. Somebody said that DeWalt was a great brand, middle ground. My grandfather always had all DeWalt tools growing up. I got some of these wire brushes, so that way we can hook up the wood stove and make it all sweet. They were on sale at Harbor Freight for $2.99, but I couldn't find the one that was on sale, so I ended up paying $5 for these. I also, from Harbor Freight, got this little Bauer 6-foot guy. I like this a lot better because, so on the Bauer 6-foot, the numbers go all the way through on one side, so my lines go straight across. That's probably not going to focus. I'm not going to make it focus. But on the Milwaukee one they sell at Home Depot, when you open it up, it's got inches on one side and centimeters on the other side, so you don't get the line on both sides that you need. So I'm really liking the Bauer 6-foot. And then that Milwaukee one was $5.99, and I got it because I took back that saw blade. And this one, or no, the Ryobi bits, the Forstner bits. This one I got for $1.99, and then the carabiner was 89 cents. And I hook it right to my apron like this, and this has been my favorite little attachment so far. I also got this plunge router. Now this plunge router is like 30 years old, but it's brand new and never been used. And they made things way better quality back then. Wow, it's still got the limited warranty in it. Wow. Okay, time out. You guys gotta see this. So I opened the box, limited warranty. This is brand new. That's crazy. 30 years ago, this guy got this for Christmas apparently, and never once used it. It's the Chicago Electric plunge router with the brake. Sweet! Brand spanking new, boys. Oh, I got this for 25 bucks too. You won't believe this. Brand spanking new, boys. Plunge router. Chicago Electric. Dude, I can't even believe that right now. That is heavy duty. Very, very nice. I also got this. I got this from Harbor Freight. My bad. I also got this. I got this from Harbor Freight for $9. I got that to organize all of our fasteners down here. So I can organize all of my screws and fasteners and get them all nice. And I got this for $9. This brand new plunge router right here. 1 3/4 horse plunge router with the brake, brand new, never opened, in the box with the warranty, everything still in it, brand new. Look at how much I got this mug for. It's possible, you guys. All you have to do is wait. Wait. Don't let your money burn a hole in your pocket. Wait for something nice. Take a little bit of time to look, and you will find it. Now, I really want to get started on this miter station, but I know that if I do the wood stove after I put the miter station over there and get the miter station all built, it's going to get completely dusty and rusted over there and change colors. So I'm going to knock this out real quick first and then clean it all up, and then we'll get back to building the miter station and then putting the miter station over there. A lot of this is about knowing your order of operation, just working really astutely. So that way you're not double working, cleaning up over yourself twice, and just, you want to do this really astutely. So we're going to go over there and take care of the wood stove right now and restore that, and then we're going to get back to the miter station. So now what I'm going to do to restore and get all this off is I'm going to use the hammer drill that we got from Harbor Freight. It actually has a regular drill setting on it. So I'm going to get this set up, and I'm going to use the wire brush and spin off as much of this rust off as I can. Alright, we got the wire brush hooked up. Oh, I got to plug in my extension cord. That'll probably help. Alright, we're all hooked up. I'm going to get to wire brushing this guy. It's going to be pretty messy, but it's going to be so much better when we're done. And I'm really excited for how this thing's going to come out if we finish. Alright, let's get started. Put it over the drill, not hammer. Alrighty. Move this over. Alright, let's bring you guys in closer so we can see what's really going on over here. Actually, let me bring this light over here too. It's getting a little cold out here, so I want to get this kind of done. It's becoming nighttime now. I'm ready to get a fire going. I gotta get this done before. I want to say thank you to all the woodworking warriors that have showed support to the channel. My goal was to reach 1,000 subscribers, and there's a very good chance that somebody watching this video is going to be my 1,000 subscriber. I cannot even believe it. So I want to say thank you so much to everybody who's subscribed already and everybody that showed support and all the advice in the comments. I really appreciate all of you guys so very much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, for real. Wait a minute. Watch, look, see what it looks like then? I'm gonna make it look brand new. It's gonna take a long time. See what it looks like then?
Yeah, I was going to ask you soon if you want to say our prayers.
You're so tired? Yeah. I'll be in there in a minute. I love you. What was it, princess?
What do you say, May? You've been a long time.
No, my love, I'm coming right now. I'm not gonna lie, I was not expecting this thing to take this long. Nearly, not even half of. This thing took forever, you guys. Like, forever. Alright, I'm gonna go say my prayers with this princess. I'll be right back. 1 eternity later. I really had so much fun in one of our last videos when I asked everybody to comment where in the world that they're from, and hearing all the responses from people and where you are in the world. So in this video, let's comment what are your favorite woodworkers to watch on YouTube. And so that way we can get good ideas from each other and find some good channels. I really like watching John Malecki personally. So in the comments, comment who you like to watch. So that way I can get some good ideas and some good ideas. The top is clean. I gotta use the other one to get in between those radiator lines. But all right, we got the light right, got the camera right. Where's my going? This is taking so much longer than I thought it would. Whew. Definitely gotta wear PPE. Yeah, if you guys plan on doing this yourself, definitely wear PPE, respirators, masks, whatever you got, and do not wear baggy clothes around your drill and wire brush. Dude, this thing's looking beautiful! Now, most of these time lapses are sped up 30, 35 times. This took absolutely forever. But I am so happy with how it came out in the end. I cannot even believe how beautiful it is. 500 likes on this video and I'll cook a tortilla off this mug bare top live. I don't know when the camera battery died, but the camera battery died. I've been doing this forever. This is definitely taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Hey guys, I noticed that we made a heck of a community in our comment section, so I went ahead and started us a Facebook group, the TBC Woodworking Warriors community. If you guys want to join me on Facebook and be able to talk easier and share your projects and pictures, and we can bounce ideas off of each other more, come join us on Facebook and we can all communicate a lot easier. I'm really excited to seeing you guys there from all over the world. Well, that was dangerous. Let's unplug this. Alrighty. Yep, that happened. Thank God that was not a grind wheel. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't wear baggy clothes. When I tell you how much that scared the hell out of me, oh my Lanta. Definitely learned my lesson with that one. That ain't happening again. Get it going as best as we can. All in all, I haven't been able to accomplish everything that I wanted to this week, but I'm not mad at it. It's just taking a little longer than I was expecting. You'll see in part 2 a couple of little hiccups that I had. Oso's a really big dog. He dug his way into my house from the outside of my house, so we had to repair that. That's in part 2, so stick around if you want to see that craziness. I have that order for the chicken nesting boxes. I haven't started that yet. I want to finish the miter station, and cutting the boards, planing them myself is actually taking a little longer than I thought it was going to, and planning it all out. And I wanted to do the wood stove before I put the miter station over there and got it all dirty. But progress is progress. Next week we're going to be right on track, and I'll be killing it again. In the meantime, what do you guys think of how this wood stove came out? Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Dude, is this thing rusting out on me already? Alright, this is what she's looking like. This took so many more hours than I thought it was going to. I still can't even frickin' start the miter station yet. I am so upset. Well, there's always tomorrow. Yeah, baby. Okay, that took hours and hours, actually. But I got it. I hit it with some WD-40, lit the fire, burned that all off, hit it with some vegetable oil while it was warm, kind of like you would do a cast iron skillet, and let it soak in while it was warm. And look at it now. You guys, I can make tortillas right on top of this mug right here, right now if I wanted to. It's clean as heck. And, yo, I just cannot believe I got that for 90 bucks. I cannot believe. It's really, really late. I'm going to have to get this side tomorrow. But the before and then the after. It's been a really busy, long day. Got a lot done. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get my miter station done before the week 9 update. I'm really going to try to shoot and to knock it down tomorrow, but I got a family too, and I got a lot of other responsibilities and obligations. Also, it's a big week. Major. So I'll give you guys updates on that later on this week if it really goes down. Cross your fingers. I'm hoping. But yeah, so, and another night. I'm so happy with that. Man, I am so happy with that. Peace.
Yeah.